Is this shirt good?
Shirt's good, yeah. That shirt's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good looking shirt.
Mr. Choi. Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Cook Belly Show again. Today I have here with me Mr. Choi. Mr. Choi.
Mr. Isaac.
What are you gonna be cooking for us?
We're gonna be making too much banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Why banana bread?
Well, it's because it's what we have. We have all these bananas. They're going off.
Yeah.
Gotta use them.
Alright, so you don't want them to spoil?
No, exactly.
Alright.
And plus, you know,
Uh-huh.
easier to eat banana bread than it is to eat banana.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then when you're doing the banana bread, should the banana be different kind of banana, or you know, it has to be more ripe?
I mean, you can use, bananas for bananas, but well, you want to get into like the science of it. So
yeah,
it is better actually if you use your frozen bananas, because it actually has something to do with how the oils in the bananas itself and the peels. I don't know the exact details, but I know whenever you freeze them, the oils separate from the banana itself, and that is how you get the tastiest banana bread. So either looking like you don't want to eat them, or like you really don't want to eat them. And so you'll see, when we actually get to peeling these, the difference between these bananas and the mush bananas. But to start, what we'll do, cream butter first. Butter, sugar. And we'll set that going, and then we'll start mixing our dry ingredients. Oh, that butter, or oil of choice. Some people use oil, some people use butter, some people use margarine. The dulcet sounds of brown sugar as they meet mixing bowl and butter. How about them sports teams current year? Swearing, so. There we are. Yeah, all the damn cat hair. Here, let's get you. Oh, that, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Honestly, it's not like you broke the island, so we're good. No one's even gonna notice. So we'll actually just we'll have a separate voiceover for that.
Yeah.
So we can actually show like the adding of the ingredients and then have a conversation between us while that's going on. But you don't want to hear that. Right? You don't want to hear that, right?
Okay. Oh. We're gonna have the final look, so.
You what, sorry?
I said we're gonna have the final look.
Well, exactly.
Yeah, so.
So that's done. And now it's just adding,
You know,
the dries.
you don't do.
Yeah, I do.
No, but remember we have to have the shots. The important. Okay.
No, but we're gonna be doing this again just because like we're getting scrambled for time. We don't know what we're saying. What we'll do is talk this over, send me the video, and then talk it over. Okay, dries in there. So now, we'll just start adding some bananas.
You cannot see because you don't have to see it.
Yeah, Yeah, so do you see how there's already like the liquid?
Many, I'll only do 2
Oh,
or
1 or
3.
2, yeah. This is the most tedious part, hands down. But you make so much banana bread, you don't have to do this for like a month. So, yeah, pros and cons. Yeah, so these ones I find are more fun to peel than the other ones, but the other ones are tastier.
Yeah.
There we go. But yeah, do you see like the difference, just like how soaking that is compared to like, so that's because like the, I don't know if they're called essential oils, I'm not sure what it is, but the banana juice separates. I'm going to attempt this. Should have done this before, but... It's not. We're not using all of this. You won't need to see me struggle for like 5 minutes trying to get it. Banana stock. Okay, so we're going to be adding wet to the dry.
You're gonna be adding what?
We're going to be adding the wet to the dry.
You're gonna be adding, again please. You're gonna be adding.
Jesus Christ. Oh, we're doing this, are we? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The wet to the dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to be adding the wet to the dry.
That's right.
Or, you know, dry to the wet usually, but depending on the size of the pan. Hot. So, there we go. So then you just gently mix it together until it comes together. Don't need to overmix it. Yeah, so we don't need to see all of this. This is just going to be like, yes, mix, and then we're going to show it complete.
I think once you put them in the bowls and then you put them in the oven, that's it.
More or less, yeah.
More or less.
Okay, it should be not quite yet. So yeah, the biggest thing about doing this, so I definitely prefer to add my dry to wet, but
Okay.
again, because of like bowls, this is the biggest bowl I have, then whatever, either way. You do want to make sure that you don't leave any flour patches. So the last thing you want to do is start pouring your mix in and then have clumps of flour. Not good.
Well, now you're using 2 spatulas.
Well, so what I'm doing right now is I'm scraping down the sides. I'm checking to see if there's any little minefields of flour.
Okay.
So once I'm reasonably certain that all the flour's been combined, I'm gonna add the chocolate chips and the walnuts. And then just lightly mix that together, and then we're gonna pour after that. Then you just top with almonds, and by the time the oven's done in like 10 minutes, done heating up, we'll be good to go. Yeah, so I just want to be reasonably certain that whenever I pour this thing, I'm not gonna have, flour. About 100 grams. There we go. And banana bread made. Done. Now it just needs to be dished out.
Your banana bread is almost done, right?
Yeah, it just needs to be baked now.
Okay. The almond is also gonna go in?
What, sorry?
The
Yeah,
almond-
the almonds are going to go on top.
Okay, when you
Well,
put
right
them
now,
in the...
right before we put them in. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we're going to dish this out into those dishes right there.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to throw the almonds on top. I don't have, that's all the almonds I had left, so
Okay.
we're just going to have to.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the most favorite. $8 p.m. I think.
I'm not sure. You don't have to do that. Yeah, good enough. There we go. And now we can just cut that in front of whenever we put it into the oven, and that's. Here we are. Done and dusted. Now we wait an hour.
Okay, so you preheated the oven.
Yeah. So when I was doing that, I preheated the oven while I was mixing everything up. You could hear it beep at some point, maybe like 5 minutes ago. Oh, we're not going to use this. Yeah, they very much notice. And we're not going to try to trick them. Like if they notice, they notice. But